What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rich and I back once again. So today we're going over to a place called Able Racing. They're gonna tune beast mode. For those who have not been around the channel long, beast mode is our 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. And the reason we're taking it over there today is because we're gonna start trying to make some horsepower out of this thing. I'm tired of it being stock. So the first thing we got is we got our injectors from Deatschwerks. These are 1100 cc injectors. These are what they look like. So they'll get these popped in, and it comes with the harness, you know, to connect them all and all that good stuff. So we'll get those in, and we also had to send our computer, which is right here, off to HP Tuners to have it unlocked. Currently we have a Diablo Sport tuner PCM in our car that came with a little kit that we bought about 4 years ago. So we had to get this unlocked so they can put it on the dyno. We're going to switch it over to E85 and see how much horsepower we can make with a couple of mods. And then we'll go from there, and who knows what's coming next. So as I get the car over to Able, y'all go ahead and watch the intro, and then we'll be back.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
Tire comparison for the tread. These are the stock tires right here. These are, I believe, Firestone Firehawks, and these are Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's. So they're the same size. They're both 275/40 20s. These are Scat Pack wheels. Well, those are your Hellcat wheels. These spokes are a little bit bigger than those, and these are gray, those are black. So that's basically the gist of it. So let's get these on. We're gonna drive it around the block because they gotta register the sensor inside of here. So let's get to work. We got them on. So she is ready for a rumble in the jungle. We need to take her to get her cleaned up also. So there's that. All right, we headed to Abel's. And of course we're stuck in traffic, so I'm not gonna bore you with this. So through the magic of YouTube, when we come back, we'll be at Abel's. And just like that, we're at Abel's. So you can see some of the vehicles out here. They got a Shelby Ford over there. Nice little wagon. Corvette right inside the window over there. So they open up at 8:30, so we got about 23 minutes for them to open, and we'll see what we can make. So now that we're here at Abel's, I'm not sure if they'll even let us film inside here. These guys seem to know what they're doing. I talked to them several times, seen a lot of their Facebook posts on the vehicles they've done over the last, month, 2 months or so. One of my service techs from Fowler Dodge recommended this place, and that was about 6 years ago. So we finally made it here 6 years later. So we're gonna go in here and see if we can make some power out of this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, they're about to load it on the dyno. How's it going? One thing sucks is they have the glare from the windows.
Oh yeah, it's hard to see through them.
Yeah. she is done. Probably didn't get any video, but on pump gas she made 680, and with E85 she made 724. So the goal is to make 800. So we got a little ways to go. There's a couple things that we need to do. Smaller pulley, probably exhaust. Then we can turn the boost up some more to about 18, and I think we should get to that 800 mark. So more to follow, more to come.